Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn about GCC installation and doing our first program under Ubuntu 20.0. Today we are beginning the C session, so let's begin. In our today's video we are going to learn how to install GCC compiler, how to check C compiler version, how to compile a basic C program, and how to run this C program in Linux. First thing, we need to install the GCC compiler first. For that, you need to go to your command prompt, that is terminal. Just press Ctrl Alt T to open the terminal, or you can find the icon in the desktop in search area. There are so many commands to install GCC. We are going to check all of this. First command, you can try sudo apt get update. You can try this, or you can try this sudo apt install build essential. It will install automatically all the essential items like GCC and other G++ and make to your system. This is how it will look like when you search on your system. I have given a snapshot for this. After typing this command, it will ask to continue. You have to press Y or no, means yes or no. You have to press yes. The installation will start. It will take some time. After that, it will complete. If you want to see the manual page, if you want to check the manual pages, you can try this command. This is the command you can try, and this is the snapshot of the command running prompt in terminal. Or manually also you can install the GCC. Sudo apt install GCC. With this command, manually you can install the GCC also. Now in the next step, we are going to check whether the GCC is installed properly or not. To check this, we have few commands. Where is GCC? Which GCC version is installed? Or using this command, you can find which version and where it is installed, the directory you can find. For checking the GCC version, you need to use this command. The hyphen is double dash here, GCC double dash and version. You can check. Yeah, don't do any mistake. This is double dash. It's not clear in that text format. You can see in the command prompt in terminal how I have written. You can try this similarly. After checking GCC whether it is installed or not, you can also try this command man GCC, which will give you the all details about GCC, which version and GCC manual pages, all these things you can see using this command man GCC. Now we are going to move to the step 2 to write a C program. As we have installed GCC successfully in our system, so we will write a simple program to run in C. For writing a program, you have two options. You can use the VI editor. I have not described about VI editor in this video. You can check my earlier video. I have given the link in the description. You can check regarding basic Linux commands, where you will find what is VI editor, how to work with VI editor, all these things. A gedit is a good thing for beginner. Just simply you type this command gedit sampleprogram.c. It will open a blank .c file naming sample program for you, where you have to write the C code and save it with .c extension. Already file name is given, just you need to save it, nothing else. Here is the program code. Here is the program code. Just you need to save and close the editor after writing this code. And one more thing, you need to note it down. Whenever you're saving this program, if you want to know the physical location of this program, it will be your home directory. By default, when you are opening a file using terminal, it will be saved in your home directory. If you are going to want to save anywhere like desktop or any other folder, in that case you need to set the path. Now move to the step 3 part, where we need to compile a C program using GCC compiler. There are several ways of compiling C program. First command is this one, GCC your program name. Here our program is sample program, or -o means -o means object file name. It is I've given here program name. You can give anything, P1, A2, ABC, according to your need. Whatever you can remember, you can give here. Next is similar code, object file name you are mentioning first, and .c file you are mentioning later. This is also going to work, no problem in that. Another is GCC -wal W in caps, and -o means -o your object file name and program name .c. This is also going to work. -wal enables all compiler warning messages. If you want to see the warnings coming under your programs, you can use this -wal option. It is optional. If you don't give, no problem. This is how I have written the code instruction in the terminal. This is the output screen which I have tried. I have tried two ways, using wal or simply GCC command. Alternatively, you can also specify the program directory name where you have saved the program. Suppose you have saved in desktop, you can give the full path using this directly from terminal without setting path. You can run this program also. Move to the final part, how to execute the program under Linux. For executing, the syntax is // and object file name. The object file name, what is you have given in the compilation part with GCC, you need to mention this only. I have given here our program name is sample program, so I have given this. You can try in one command I have given S1 also. You can try this one also. Automatically you will get the output. So in this tutorial we have seen how to install GCC and how to use GCC in your Linux system. Stay tuned with us. we are going to publish more C programming videos in Linux in upcoming video session. So subscribe our channel and visit switch2base.com to read the blogs related to C programming.